Thinking about installing a level 2 EV charger at home? Good call. Faster charging, more convenience, and long-term savings. But before you buy or call an electrician, here are 5 things you need to know. Step 1. Check your electrical panel capacity. Most level 2 chargers need a 40 to 60 amp breaker. If your panel is full, you may need a panel upgrade before installation. Step 2. Measure the distance from panel to charger. Longer distances equal higher installation cost. Try to mount your charger as close to the panel as possible, especially in garages. Step 3. Know the top brands. The most trusted level 2 chargers right now are Tesla wall connector for Tesla owners, JuiceBox 40 or 48, Wi-Fi enabled plus universal, Emporia level 2 charger, budget-friendly plus app-controlled. Step 4. Permits plus local code. Many municipalities require a permit and inspection before installation. Check your local code and always use a licensed electrician for safety. Step 5. Smart charging features. Modern EV chargers include apps for scheduling, usage tracking, and load balancing. These features help you charge during off-peak hours and save money over time. Want help picking the right charger for your setup? Check the links below to see our top recommendations, and don't forget to download our free home electrical safety checklist. Subscribe to Gillett Electric for more smart upgrades and EV charging tips.